So what will be the definition, types of outsider attacks, what are the methods, what will be the impact, what will be how we can prevent, and we'll see some case studies. So what is unauthorized access? When someone gains access to system, network or data without permission. So outsider means like attackers who are not a part of organization. So you're not inside the organization. Okay. So such as hackers, cyber criminals or third party actors. So these three types we say it is an outsiders. Okay. So hackers, cyber criminals or third party actors, that is outside the organizations. Types of unauthorized access by outsiders. Network intrusion. Breaching a system through the internet or network. Physical intrusions. Gaining unauthorized entry into a facility or office. Social engineering attacks. Manipulating individuals into giving access or revealing confidential information. Remote attacks. Gaining control of systems remotely via malware or exploiting the tools. Methods used by outsiders: phishing attack, brute force attack, exploiting vulnerabilities, man in the middle attack. So, phishing attacks, that is sending fraudulent emails to trick users into revealing credentials. Brute force attack is trying numerous password combinations to gain access. Exploiting vulnerabilities, it is using system weakness or outdated software. Man in the middle attack, it is intercepting communication between two parties to steal or manipulate data. Impact of unauthorized access, that is data breach. The exposure of sensitive customer or business data. Financial losses, cost associated with recovery, legal actions or fines. Reputation damage, loss of trust from customers, partners and stakeholders. Operational disruptions, downtime caused by compromising systems leading to business disruptions. Preventions and mitigation strategies: strong access control, that is using the multi-factor authentication to implement the role-based access control. Regular system updates, that is ensure all software is up to date and patched for known vulnerabilities. Network monitoring and intrusion detection system, use real-time monitoring tools to detect and respond to suspicious activity. Security awareness training, that is like train employees to recognize phishing, social engineering and other security threats. Case study 1, that is Yahoo data breach which happened in 2013 to 14. One of the largest breaches where an outsider gained access to Yahoo's network, exposing 3 billion user accounts. Method: the attacker exploited vulnerabilities in Yahoo's system. Impact: massive reputation damage and financial losses. Case study 2, Marriott International data breach. Cybercriminals gained access to the company's reservation systems comprising the personal information of 500 million guests. Method is unauthorized access through compromised credentials. Impact was like huge regulatory fines and loss of consumer trust was happened. Restrict access to sensitive data based on job roles. Create an insider threat detection program to monitor the internal threats. There are specific MCQs. So, what is unauthorized access by an outsider? Accessing public information legally, gaining access to systems, networks, or data without permission. Employees accessing company data through during long work hours. Granting special access to third party partners. Gaining access to systems, networks, or data without permission. Which of the following is not a method used by outsiders for unauthorized access? Phishing attack, brute force attack, social engineering, and regular system updates. What is the primary purpose of phishing attack? Is to trick the users into providing sensitive information such as passwords. Okay. And what does social engineering typically involve in the context of unauthorized access? Manipulating employees to reveal confidential information, installing antivirus, physically stealing hardware from offices, monitoring network traffic. Monitoring network traffic. So, manipulating employees to reveal confidential information will be the right term. Thank you.